We are in Goshen, Indiana. We just got here. It is Sunday, September 22nd. This is actually 10 years ago, the day that Andrew proposed to me. So, it's a big week. But it's an even bigger week because we are getting a new home this week. And by home, we mean RV. We are super excited. We don't really know the exact timeline yet, but we are so excited to be here. We're going to bring you along for every step of the way. And right now we are planning to stay at the Elkhart County Fairgrounds. We're going to be there for a month.
Hopefully about 3 weeks.
Yeah, hopefully about 3 weeks. We ended up booking it for a month just to give ourselves some wiggle room, but we'll definitely be pulling out when we're done. Hopefully the rig is going to get on the line this week, and we are maybe going to be able to catch a glimpse of that building process. So we're super excited about that. We're hoping to be able to watch it roll off the line as well. And then from there, it's going to go to full body paint. We're going to go to more ride and get independent suspension put on it. And then from there, we are going to head, depending on scheduling,
we'll either go to future sales for solar and battle board install, or we'll go to more ride for independent suspension and possibly a pin box switch out.
Yep. And we're super excited. We don't really know all the details about when this is all happening, but we're going to bring you along and show you every step as much as we can along the way, and hopefully answer a lot of questions you might have about how this whole process works. So, welcome to Goshen with us. We set up camp at the Elkhart County Fairgrounds so that we could get settled in for the process of trading out our rig for our brand new 2020 Keystone Montana 3855 BR. We are so excited to share this entire process with you, from following the build of our Montana down the production line and going to full body paint, to getting our energy system installed, new suspension placed, and all the fun activities and friends that we met while we were in the area. Over the next couple weeks, we're going to lay this all out for you and share our experience. The Elkhart County Fairgrounds provided the perfect place for us to set up camp during this process. We had so much fun visiting the local Amish community and just learning about that culture and their people. It was absolutely fascinating. We also really enjoyed the events at the fairgrounds. One of our most memorable ones was they had this giant auction, and we loved going through and just looking at all the stuff that was up for auction and listening to the auctioneers talk. The boys thought that was so much fun. They spent most of their days running around the horse track at night after the horses were done practicing during the day, or riding scooters or riding bikes, collecting leaves. It was just the perfect location, and we highly recommend it.
Thanks for watching. Okay, cool. Home with the Hoopers. Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.
Time out. Who knows where we're going this week? You don't count.
No.
Who knows where we're going this week for the back seat? Bubba?
Me.
Where are we going?
Nope, not Florida.
Alaska.
Nope.
No.
Not Alaska.
What are we going to get?
Lunch, yes. That is a fact.
After lunch, what are we going to go pick up?
I didn't even have a sign.
Okay.
Decide, what are we going to get this week? Just throw out guesses.
A new camper.
Our
New
camper!
Okay.
Not today. Who is so excited?
Tomorrow.
Who's so excited? Woo! Who's so excited?
Tomorrow.
We don't know when.
But that's where we're heading to get the new camper. Camper party!
Little merch.
Little much.
Little merch.
I wanted to be excited. Everyone be excited!
Yay! Are you okay? Are you okay, Mama?
Oh, whatever.
Stop it. You just hurt yourself.
What?
We're gonna pop outside. Are we there yet? It's a little peek into life in the car. It's exhilarating.
I think you meant exhausting.
Yes, that's the word I was looking for. It's getting hot in here. I need to unroll a window. I'm gonna hyperventilate here in a second.